The Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro 15-watt mount combines strong magnetic alignment with modern wireless charging, so compatible MagSafe and Qi2 phones snap into place and start powering up quickly. Its Qi2 charging system delivers up to 15-watt fast wireless power through a USB Type-C connection, giving recent iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models a reliable top-up even on short trips. You can configure it as either a dashboard mount or an air vent holder, which makes it easy to move between vehicles or adjust the setup as your interior layout changes. The rare earth magnet array holds the phone firmly, so it stays steady over rough pavement and during sharp turns without wobbling or sliding down the mount. A smooth, rotating ball joint lets you fine-tune the viewing angle in every direction, keeping navigation apps visible while helping you keep both hands on the steering wheel. The package includes a dedicated car power adapter, vent clip, cleaning wipe, and cable organizer, so you have everything needed for a tidy, ready-to-use installation right out of the box.